welcome to another video. In this video I want to make my Pirelli Sottozero winter tires shine again, get rid of the browning and clean the wheels, and also go on the inside to prep them for winter tire storage. I have tried, because I'm in an Italian mood, Ma-Fra wheel and tire cleaner with active foam. Let's see how it cleans and how it performs. If you're new and you like this type of content, please subscribe. We like to go to Italy in the Netherlands. We like to go to the Como Lake, the Lago Maggiore, the Garda Lake. And since I'm in this Italian mood, I thought, why not clean this Pirelli tires with something really Italian? And I think Ma-Fra is the right brand to do it. Let's... Now, it has indeed a nice foam. I think we're going to get a really nice clean tires and get rid of all this chocolate browning. It smells fresh. What I don't like is that it doesn't have a bit of a mist. So I have the feeling I need to spray quite a lot. But look at that. All the brown stuff that's already coming off the tires. This is the perfect prep now for a tire shine. Also, brown stuff doesn't remind me of a chocolate ice cream in a gelateria in Italy, but at least my tires will look good again for the summer, and specifically because we're going to change these tires and I don't want to spend so much time cleaning on the inside. I spray deep in the velgen, in the wheel area here, so that it's easier to clean later on. Yeah, and I'm also going to spray a bit on the Michelin tire brush and then put it all over the tires. Look at the brown coming off, yo. This is some really good strong stuff and it'll get your tires very clean. I really like it. Pure power from Italy. And where in the past I really had difficulty removing that brown stuff, it comes off almost without agitating it. So quite happy with that. And there's no work indicator on the wheels though, so you don't see red tears falling down. That's something to keep in mind if you want this for your wheels. I think it's actually a better tire cleaner. Is that schmutzig, but these tires will get very clean. Time to wash off these tires and look at the final result. Yeah! Oh yeah, bella, bella, bella. Oh yeah, sehr schön. So, and you can really see that nice Sottozero Pirelli logo in. Again, tires look very dark, very clean. I think it's a great tire cleaner to get the browning out. It also cleans the wheels, but that's not very economical with that thick foam. It's better to get the thin spray for that. But I like it. Let me know if you've used Ma-Fra wheel and tire cleaner, or what's your favorite product for this. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen. Arrivederci.